markers.
When we started our year-long test of this 2003 Honda Accord EX V6 sedan, there were things that we expected to find. One, that it's an extremely competent car. But when nearly 24 drivers put 28,000 miles on any car, something substantial usually goes wrong. But nothing did. We did have some minor maladies. The windshield washer stopped working. There was a sticky power door lock. And some interior fabrics looked old before their time. But that's it. We also expected our Accord sedan to be an efficient handler of a family of 5. That's true too. In 13 months through 2 tough winters, our car still managed 25.8 miles per gallon, in sync with EPA estimates for our car's 240 horsepower V6. But what we didn't expect was for this Accord to be such a pleasure to drive. Rather than just a smooth appliance, it's quite rewarding to steer into a turn. And the EX's all-disc ABS brakes, which were grabby when new, are terrific stoppers now. The 6th generation Honda Accord is not just the best of its line, it's hard to see how this design could ever be made better. One way might be to make it more luxurious. When you consider the Accord's basic chassis is also the starting point for the 2004 Acura TL, they've already done that. The sharply styled TL is replacing our Accord in our fleet, and over the next year we expect it to add more splendor and spirit to our Honda 4-door experiences. You might think that the full-size SUV experience has evolved as far as it can, yet there is always something new. Case in point, the 2004 Nissan Armada. Made in America, the Armada is a direct challenge to domestic stalwart Chevrolet Suburban and Ford Expedition. Mileage certainly says full-size SUV. After 6 weeks, it's a low 13.8 miles per gallon. But while the Armada's 305 horsepower V8 is very thirsty, it's also very strong. Throttle response is excellent. Also, during several snows, the automatic on-demand 4x4 system worked as advertised. The Armada handles curves like a truck half its size, but the ride can be a bit jumpy over rough pavement. Interior fit is good, even if some of the plastics look low bid, but the folding second row seat works much better than on the first Armada we tested. Now on to summer and the real test for any big SUV, vacations and home improvements. Have we no mercy? We'll see if we need mercy for a pair of very different sedans, our Volkswagen Passat W8 and our Suzuki Verona, on our next Motorweek long-term road test update.